The home that we've got now is it's sort of two parts. We've got the original part, which is come up about 100 years old, and we've also, there's an add-on to that which was done in the early 80s. The building work that's about to be undertaken is in the older part of the home.
Basically queues for the toilet. We have 4 children and there's only one toilet in the house. And our children are quite close in age. They're about to be teenagers. We're going to have 4 teenagers and only one shower and only one toilet in the house. So for us, that was our top priority. And currently the children are sharing bedrooms. So by going upstairs, it means the kids get a bedroom each, which is a nice bonus for them.
I guess I'd seen a lot of Harris Construction signs around around Cambridge. And a lot of those signs related to renovation work on homes. So with a bit of word of mouth and talking to people who recommended Lance and his team, that gave us a bit of confidence in Lance and his team to undertake the job that we were looking to do.
So he did some work on our kids' local school.
Yes,
and
he did.
We were quite impressed with the job that he did at the school.
I guess being working on an older home, our concern would be what is behind walls.
Yeah, any hidden surprises we
Yeah.
might find, and the possibility with that going over budget. But also the fact that we're still living in the house while they're working on it, so living in a building site with 4 children is going to be interesting.